I had been writing music for a long time. I went to music school for a couple of years. I went to Berklee College of Music. But there was a point where playing music still, but not really writing my own music. And I felt there was part of me that was suffering because of that. I would record things and it was like just kind of painful. Like, you stick it in a playlist or something with other songs and you're like, man, that sounds awful. Why does it sound so bad? I tried different tools. I couldn't get a handle on it. So I took a chance and I joined, and immediately I could tell that there was stuff there that was going to help me. It was like a world of difference, and it was really exciting that I could do that, and that there was a program that really tried to not just teach you the material, but to get you to be successful with it was kind of huge. I've gotten to the point where I feel good about my mixes, and it's an adventure. Like, to me, it's interesting to sit down and like be able to create those sounds that I hear in my head. I feel like this is where I wanted to be, like however many years ago that was, Educational content of it, there's a lot that's given there, that every time I try something out or I learn that skill, I'm just like, what on earth? I'm just amazed that that information is there, accessible, it's taught so well. But then the huge thing is this community, so supportive, and I don't know that I really see that anywhere else. I think it's because of the level of seriousness of the students, people who are committed to improving themselves. We just know how much time goes into like being here. And obviously the mentorship calls are like fantastic. It's not simply just getting feedback on like, oh, you could improve this or that. It's like kind of being taught to see something beyond that. You don't learn it in a workflow. If you want to get the vocal production right, then you want to approach it in this order. When you watch YouTube, it's like individual techniques. And I think that that's what I get out of the program, is that expertise. Plus, you can get into the calls to clarify that. I think that it's the feeling that I can do this, to feel that I'm not alone in this, that there's this place that not only will help you grow in that way, the ability to see these possibilities and the potential to create this musical world around me that is at a level that I always wanted to be at, but on my own, probably it's more of a daydream. I would probably be still mixing, being frustrated and not knowing. I probably would write a lot of songs that I wouldn't feel are releasable. It's like making a daydream real, being able to feel like you can make it happen. I actually really Googled what is mastering because I didn't know. And I thought, well, this is the time. I'm gonna try to see what this is all about. And it ended up being probably the best thing that could have happened. Do it. I mean, I was nervous about it. Like, I didn't know what to expect at the time. If this is something that you really love doing and you're unsure about whether this is the right place, like, this is the right place. Like, you're gonna find at least an answer if it happens to be that you want to do this more seriously. And it's not just about like whether you do it seriously, but like if you want your music to be able to sound really good in a way that you can share it with people, like whatever avenue, this is like such an amazing place. Like, I don't know how else you would do it,